Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp food. First, gather your key ingredients. You'll need spirulina powder, fish meal, and a binding agent like wheat flour. Make sure all components are fresh and of high quality to provide the best nutrition for your shrimp. You might also want to include a specialized vitamin and mineral supplement for added health benefits. Once you have your ingredients, it's time to mix them. Combine all dry ingredients in a bowl, ensuring they are evenly distributed. Slowly add a small amount of water, mixing until you achieve a firm, dough-like consistency that holds its shape. Then, roll the mixture into tiny pellets, ideally around 2 millimeters in diameter, perfect for your shrimp. After forming your pellets, they need to dry completely. Spread them out on a non-stick surface and allow them to air dry for 24 to 48 hours until they are hard and brittle. Once dry, store your homemade shrimp food in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. This will help maintain its freshness for up to 3 months. When feeding your shrimp, offer a small amount that they can consume within 2 hours. It's crucial to remove any uneaten food after this time to prevent water fouling and maintain a healthy environment. Observe your shrimp's eating habits and adjust the feeding frequency and quantity based on their population size and activity levels for optimal health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.